chocolate chip cookies. It's just the vibe. My brother Hendirx.
Hi.
He's gonna be tasting all the food I bake.
Including chocolate chip cookies.
This is our favorite bake book. Person that wrote it is Carol Clement. The first step is to preheat the oven to 350. Make sure that you have an adult help. The second step is we are going to mix our butter and our sugar together. Butter's in this bowl, so we need to put 4 ounces. We are going to add the sugar. So
What kind of sugar?
It's white sugar. So that means we need to add 2 ounces. So we need.
What you want to do is like, see how it's got like a spout?
Yeah.
You take the bottom of it and then you pour it. Okay, right to there.
So that's fine. We are going to add the brown sugar. So 4 ounces.
Whoa. What do you gotta do then?
You have to pat it down. Make sure that it's nice and patted.
That's how you measure brown sugar?
Yes.
Who did you learn that from?
Maggie, my favorite baker.
Yeah.
Wow. Because we don't have a mixer, we need to do it by fork. Now we just need 1 egg. So just crack it. Feel it. Good. Next, we need half a teaspoon of vanilla. Now we're gonna take our egg and vanilla mixture and put it in our butter mixture. Remember to grab a fork and scrape the edges as much as you can get off. Now we're gonna mix our flour or baking soda and our salt. 6 ounces. Now pour the flour in. We're gonna add baking soda into half a teaspoon. Make sure it's flat.
How do you make sure it's flat?
Squish it. And now we're gonna add the salt. 1/8 of a teaspoon. Make sure it's flat. Now we're gonna stir it up, and add it to our cream mixture.
A few moments later. More moments later.
Same as, make sure that you scrape it all. If you need to bring it closer to you, that's okay. Now you just need to stir it up.
"72 hours later."
Make sure that you scrub the sides too. Okay, all that. How many chocolate chips? 6 ounces? I'm just not gonna follow that. I'm just gonna eyeball it. Just to make sure that they're good. Next up, we're going to grease the pan. You can grease the pan with butter, or you can use parchment paper, but I'm using some spray. That's greased. Now we need to grab 2 spoons and then grab like this, just a little ball, and scrape it off. Baked until lightly colored 10 minutes to 15 minutes. Transfer to a rack to cool. While it's cooking, we should tidy up. My mom told me to say that. So we had some leftovers, so we're gonna try it on parchment paper now. This one is from the spray. This one is from the parchment paper. This one's burnt, this one's not. They're still really good.
So now I'm going to be eating it and see what one's spray and what one. Solid 8 out of 10. With that paper, solid